Hey guys, great news for you. If you're working on the Meshchain Airdrop, you can now check your eligibility. The token launch is happening soon, and we expect a decent profit from this airdrop. As you can see, they've shared an update on X. Official trading has started on Bitmart, and it will soon be available on other exchanges. So we'll need to wait for further updates. At the time of recording this video, trading has begun and the price is around 27 cents, which is a good starting point. If you want to check your eligibility, head to the Meshchain dashboard and click on Check Eligibility. As you will see, there are mandatory tasks required to qualify for the airdrop. There are also some optional tasks which aren't mandatory. I hope you complete these tasks to qualify for the airdrop. Once done, click Continue and verify the CAPTCHA. Click Claim. My allocation is displayed here. I've received 83 tokens. In the wallet section, the total value of these tokens is currently around $23. I'm hopeful the price will increase further. For all the latest updates, join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.